that is actually the practical sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was to go out, that is leave the mosque and go out in an open place to offer Eid prayer, that is in an open place. It is mentioned in the Hadith of Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 956, narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, that is he said, قال كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يخرج يوم الفطر والأضحى, that is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to go out, that is on the day of Eid al-Fitr and the day of Eid al-Adha, that is he used to go out, that is leave the mosque and go out in an open place to pray. So this is the sunnah, the tradition, that is to leave the mosque and go outside in an open place to pray. So this was the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is to go out, leave the mosque, even though he said that a prayer in the mosque of mine, that is in the mosque of Medina, of Prophet's mosque, he said it is better 1000 times than elsewhere, that is praying in the mosque of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is 1000 times better than praying anywhere else except for Masjid Haram. So it is very virtuous to pray there. And even then Prophet went outside, that is left his mosque and went outside to pray the Eid prayer in an open place. So this is the tradition, actual sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.